Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Vizio app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so all you have to do now. So you just go down here, you click here on watch free. It's here, just click on it, watch free plus. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click on get started. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. I have this problem, so you just click on it here. Then here it's going to take you to select. So here, if you want to add for year or month here. So in here, if you want to, I'm going to click here. So then here, so I have here problem, but if it's going to show for you when you click on get upgrade here, then you get premium. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.